Club Racing, man, that is Grassroots. That's where it's at. So we're here racing this weekend on the Sebring 48 PCA Club Racing. This could be the last time you get to see these two cars in this livery. This is a 94 968. It's an SP3. There's no modifications allowed to the engines. It's got to be basically in stock format, but there's some super fast cars out there. We just got a fresh engine rebuild, just an outstanding car. And it's going to have a new custom Sport livery. And then this is the GT4 Class, or vintage GTO during the vintage races. We'll be running this car only in vintage. This is a 94 Porsche 911. Got a special Sport Peter Dawe's engine in the car, and it is just an absolute screamer. This car, actually back in its heyday, had the track record for class at 10 different tracks. So I was so lucky to find this car a couple of years ago. And we've really got it refined and doing great. This is pure vintage GT car with the high wing, wide body kit, and running with up against some amazing cars. It's amazing when we go out and we race this car and we see it up against the GT4 Club Sports, 991s, 997s. We're keeping up with them, believe it or not, in this old air-cooled car. And it's just beautiful and runs so well, just a super build. So this is that's a good entry-level car for someone. This is just a great, little more advanced car, very fast, huge grip, and just a super motor. We've also got a 928 out here with a Pro Charger, a little bit of a homegrown car, but this thing is just phenomenally fast. So this is a car that used to be a street car and has now been turned into a race car. So our driver's out here doing HPDE Byron with us this weekend and just having a great time. And then obviously we've got the 1968 Panamericana car that is available for purchase right now as well. It is going to be windows down. Hopefully we get a little engine heat back in the cabin today. Normally we don't wish for that, but today's gonna be the day. We need it. But it's gonna be exciting. Car ought to run great. We get the tires warmed up. So if you're ever interested in starting out, go to your local PCA club event, do some driving days, get up to Blue Solo. Certainly reach out to us, we'll help you along in the process, but we'd love to bring you PCA Club Racing. This is so, just a huge single brand event. So if you love all things Porsche, then this is the place to be.